In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in WPS Office. Rotating text can add a creative and professional touch to your documents, helping you highlight important information or create visually appealing layouts. WPS Office provides a straightforward way to rotate text freely anywhere in your document, giving you full control over its orientation and style. To start, open your document and go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From here, click on the Word Art option. This allows you to place styled text anywhere in your document where you want it to appear. Once the word art is added, type in the text you want to display. This can be a title, label, or any text you want to rotate. After adding the word art, you may notice an outer border or shape around it. To remove this, click on the word art to select it. Look for the Shape Outline option in the Formatting tools and select No Line. This removes the border and gives your text a cleaner and more professional look. If you want to refine the appearance further, you can resize the word art precisely to fit your text. Then, click on the Color Fill option and choose No Color. This ensures that only the text remains visible without any background or outline, making it blend smoothly into your document. To rotate the text, click on the word art and look for the small circular arrow that appears above it. Click and hold that arrow, then drag it to rotate the text freely in any direction. You can adjust the angle exactly the way you want, whether you need the text slightly tilted, vertical, or placed at a custom angle. This method gives you full flexibility to move and rotate text anywhere on the page. It is especially useful for custom layouts, highlighting important sections, or creating visually engaging designs for documents, presentations, or other materials. That is how you can rotate text in WPS Office using word art and customize its appearance in your document. It is a simple and effective way to make your text more dynamic and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.